Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Muhammad Ranar Eka Putra from Group 3. Today, I will show the teaching module about the basic reading. And this is the technique topic skimming, scanning, and narrative text. And the theme is stories and coastal life. And the school, we use the technique to senior high school grade 1. This is the lesson plan. The activities take time, the introduction, Q&A about the speed reading experience, introduction to the concept of skimming and scanning. This is contains 10 minutes. Main activity and text exercise. The text exercise is the Thousand Islands. This is for the skimming, and the text exercise, the content is the fisherman. And the point D is discussion of local stories in 1660 minutes. And the last is the closing, reflection and short quiz. Assignment to write a summary in 20 minutes. Point C, facilities and infrastructure. We use the media is computer or laptop, microphone, and projector. And learning resource is English dictionary, English learning book, and website material articles. And learning media, we use the picture stories and exercise sheets. And the point D, we use the element listening and speaking, reading, and writing. And the listening and speaking, the learning achievement is understand and respond to simple instruction in English. And the reading is learning basic vocabulary and understand simple sentences in this module. And writing, the point is write simple sentence or grammar with the correct subjects, verb, and object structure. And the point E, learning adjective. We use the element the same at the point D, and the learning achievement is explain the difference between skimming and scanning in your own words. Retell the sequence of main events of the narrative text that you have listened to. And the reading is skimming, quickly finding the main idea and topic of a text. And scanning, quickly and accurately finding specific information, such as names, dates, numbers, plates from a text. Identifying the characteristic and basic structure of native text, orientation, complication, resolution, and answering literal question. Answers are found in the text from simple narrative and recount text. And the last, writing is students are able to write a very brief summary. And students should writing three until four sentences of the narrative story. Next, point F, learning objectives. Students are able to understand and use skimming and scanning techniques in story paragraphs. 2. They understand the different purposes and structures of native text are and are able to apply think knowledge in simple reading and writing activities. And this is our model teaching in Indonesian language. And now in chapter 1, skimming and scanning. In this unit, we will learn to definition skimming, purpose of skimming, how to using skimming in paragraph, definition of scanning, purpose of scanning, and the last is how to using scanning in paragraph. And we put the practices, the topic, the thousand islands. This is the content, and this is the tips and the note. And practice 2, the fisherman in the thousand islands. Yeah, so this is the content, and we don't forget to put the notes and the tips. And we put the activity, the sea turtle conversation in Bali. So in this activity, make a group of two to four members. Discuss with your group members to find the answer to the paragraph below within 3 minutes using the scanning technique. And yep, we put the multiple answer and short essay. And the reflection. And chapter 2, narrative text. In this narrative text, we will learn to definition narrative text, structure of narrative text, how to using narrative text. And keyword, we use the orientation characters, complication settings, resolution and settings. and we put the content of the narrative text and the definition, structure, and practice. Here is a paragraph. Determine the orientation, complication, and resolution. And we put the story of the legend of Maning Kundang. And this is the activity. The rules are: make a group of 2 members, discuss to the role on the story of the legend of Maning Kundang, come forward one by one, and engage the dialogue by memorizing. And this is the summary of the narrative text. And in this chapter 2, we put the multiply answer to and doesn't have the SI, only the multiple answer. And this is the reflection of the narrative text. And yep, that's the our teaching module for high school grade 1. And I think that's all. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.